This is the Xiaomi 12T Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. You can do that by, from the default general settings app, or by opening the control center, which you can do through swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar. Then touch and hold at the Wi-Fi shortcut, go for the more settings, choose what network you would like to share a password of, and then simply tap on it. And as you can see, the system will provide us with this little QR code, which you can simply scan and get any other device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. It is also worth mentioning that just tap on the body of this Wi-Fi network, not on this arrow, since it will forward us to the network details page. So if you would like to get the QR code, just tap anywhere but this little arrow. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.